Hey everyone, it's Nomad Flair here and welcome back to another video. So today's tutorial consists of two parts. The first part is how to convert a PDF file into a readable Kindle format file, and secondly how to transfer the PDF file to the Kindle app if you're using the iPad to read, or secondly to actual Kindle itself. So this can be done on any Kindle out there. You just need to follow the steps in this video. So guys, if you found this video to be useful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let's dive straight into it. So first things first, you want to make sure you've downloaded the PDF file onto your iPad or onto your desktop or onto your laptop. It does not matter. Okay, so we'll head over to the files. Okay, so this is the book I am reading. It's called The Miracle Morning. So if we were to click onto that, you'll be able to see the format it's currently in, which is a PDF file, right? Which is of course still readable, but you want to of course transfer it to the Kindle file format, right? Which looks still quite decent. Okay, so we're going to select it first of all, and then we're going to share it. I'm going to share it to the Kindle app that's on our iPad. It's asking for the author's name. I'm just going to put in Hal. All right, let's put that down. And it's asking if you want to add it to your library, or you can actually add it to any device out there. So your iPad, your phone, etc. But I'm just going to put it onto my library, so it's synced on all devices, and then click send. So it says here, very, very important, do you want to convert it into the Kindle format? Absolutely. All right, and that's the first part of our tutorial ticked off. And click yes. And now what it's doing is it's converting and sending over. Now it's been sent, which is great. It does take a couple of minutes actually. Sometimes it's much quicker, sometimes it's a few seconds. So let's open the Kindle app, which is great, and we'll just give it a bit of time and it should pop up right here. Okay, and you can see it's right here, The Miracle Morning. It doesn't have a cover, but of course it's a PDF file. So we'll click onto that and let's see how it looks like. And we can read it, and as you can see, it's in the Kindle format, which is exactly what we wanted, which is great. We can still highlight, we can still do anything that we want, which is absolutely great, guys. All right, and that's how it looks like. Okay, and moving on to the second part of the video, we want to transfer the PDF file to our Kindle right here so we can start reading. So we'll head over to Files again. We're then going to select the book that we want to transfer over, which is The Miracle Morning. We want to share that. Okay, but this time we're going to share it via mail. Okay, so as you can see, it's been attached. And in terms of where we're going to be sending it to, this is where we're going to take our Kindle, have it in front of us. We're just going to unlock it. Swipe. We're going to scroll down, head to all settings, and then you want to head over to your account, and then all at the bottom you have an email, okay, which is the send to Kindle email. So whenever you want to send documents over to your Kindle, this is the email that you've been assigned. Okay, so this email right here will go on the to section, and then the subject, very, very important that we type in convert, and what that's going to do is going to convert the PDF file again into Kindle format. Okay, so we're going to type in our email and then subject and then send that over, and then we'll check if it's been sent. Okay everyone, so we're about to send it right now. So, all right, you then want to head back over to your Kindle, scroll down and then click on sync. Okay, that will sync the information onto the Kindle. Then head over to your library. As you can see, The Miracle Morning is right there, ready to be read. Let's click onto that. As you can see everyone, the PDF has now been converted and the book now is officially on our Kindle. We can still highlight, we can send over the highlighted text to our email. We can do everything exactly like we usually do with every type of book on the Kindle. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in tech or tips or tricks in relation to tech, then I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel and click the notifications bell so you'll miss my next upcoming video. Until next time everyone, take care.